Kasorkar Jylla kasnginengkong kalai kapor kumbaar pasok kenta hadu kasawo prakenta kapor bahasa baru ki deputy commissioner berpendap ya kejing pelat ya kila Jingïarap ha kabayade bat kejingja Shah Lynshop ha ki bon Mariang bat kejing ter jong upria ha ki Bthah baper jong ke Jylla halor kene nak keliang Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla konra sangma ulaya tu ba ula Bthah ya chief secretary ban pe ya kene ke kam ha kejing lang mentah kesngi.
Yeah, basically, all the deputy commissioners have already been asked to immediately take necessary steps. And as a policy measure, last year we had taken steps to decentralize the implementation of the relief process. And so now the deputy commissioners do not have to come to the state for any kind of clearance. And they can take steps independently, decentralized at their own level in terms of distribution of basic relief material, as well as different housing support, for example, CGI sheets to be distributed. Those freedom has been given and funds have been given to the deputy commissioners. And just this morning also, the Chief Secretary has taken a review of the entire situation and I've been updated. And we've given them the next 24 hours to 48 hours in which we expect them to complete the entire relief process. So we are on the job and we are ensuring, as I said, by ensuring the entire policy is decentralized now, that entire implementation is decentralized, that now deputy commissioners can take steps at the level.